So guys, this is what we are to expect for the day on GBPJPY. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social, it is a community where traders, analysts, and also developers share their market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. It is a community where you can also get to connect with traders and analysts of like-minded people. It is also a community that has sections for crypto stocks, forex indices, and also commodities. Whatever financial market you trade, Invest Social has a section for each and every one of these. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Starting with our trend for the day on GBPJPY, we can see that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. Clearly, GBPJPY is trending to the upside. Now let's zoom it in. This is our high that market did give us, and here is our higher low, which is a pullback phase. Market was now able to push up again to form a new high. So we are to expect a pullback. So a pullback is what we are to expect right here. Once the pullback plays out then and one more push up that will form a new higher high is what will likely play out next on GBPJPY. Let's drop down to our forward time frame right here, guys. If you are to see it right here, market is also rallying up, and this is also a confluence. So we are currently on a confluence zone, which is our 10 period simple moving average. So our confluence could be major rejection zone, it could be trend line, it could be the support or very much the resistance. It can also be the indicator. So right here, market has literally tapped our indicator, which is our 10 period simple moving average. So we will take this to be as a rejection zone, a confluence zone, and we should expect market to eventually bounce up. So a rejection from this zone here, whereby market will eventually reject and bounce up. That is what we are to expect next. So GBPJPY, a bullish move is what we are to expect for the day. Let's drop down to our 1 hour time frame right here, guys. So if you have to zoom it in also, there comes the multiple rejection zone right here. Like I said, we are to expect market to continue move on to the upside. So guys, this should now be our target. Our next target on GBPJPY is a level of 216,160. So 216.160. So that is our targets for the day on GBPJPY. Our next level is 216.160. That should be giving us about 100 pips. So we have about potential 100 pips to be made on GBPJPY. If you find this analysis very helpful, make sure you visit investsocial.com to also connect with traders of like-minded people, to also share your own idea and your own strategy and what you think will likely play out next.